Today's quick little video is about how to get up and down out of a chair so that it causes less knee pain, less back pain, and over time helps you improve the strength of the important back muscles like your glutes. They help support your pelvis and they're really important in good health. So let's have a look at what it looks like. Typical problems occur when people try to sit down and they have weak glutes or low back pain. You'll often see them bend forward, knees come forward and in, and then they lower themselves in like that. Once they're there to get out of the chair, they do the same thing in reverse. They put a lot of weight in their hands, their knees start to come forward and in, and they're bent forward like this. Now from the side view, from this position, they've got a long way to straighten up, which can be where a lot of back pain happens. Also, if you notice, as the knees come in and they go forward, you get a lot of stress into the knees. So a lot of people with knee pain find getting up and down chairs quite difficult and sore. So what's the trick? How do you do it differently? Well, you start to use the big important muscles of your low back and your bum, so your glutes. You plant your feet nice and wide, and as you lower yourself down, you try to keep the back reasonably straight up and down and use the power in your glutes. So you push your knees out and drop down into the seat. On the way back up, you do the same thing. Plant your feet nice and wide, concentrate on keeping the knees separated, don't let them collapse in. And if you need to use your hands still, you can until you build the strength more in your glutes. But the idea will be that you drive yourself straight up, more like this. So let's have a look from the side. Again, the common problem is that people's knees come in and forward. There's your knee pain, your back bends, there's the lower back pain, and on the way up, they've got to then straighten up like that. So to avoid it, feet nice and wide, shins are going to stay fairly vertical. You're going to lower yourself into the chair, keeping your back nice and straight, and that requires you to use the strength of your glutes. If you don't have enough strength in your glutes, maybe you can use your hands, but you're going to try to keep that back nice and straight. On the way up, again, if you need to use your hands, that's fine. Feet nice and wide, keep the shins fairly straight up and down, and push up out of the chair. Without the back being bent and then having to straighten, you're less likely to get back pain. And without your knees collapsing forward, you're less likely to get knee pain. And without the knees collapsing in, you're also more likely to strengthen those glutes. So let's try that, and let's see if we can get you moving better again.